Hey guys, welcome back to Basant Kitchen. Today we're gonna do a pasta recipe. We're gonna make shrimp parmesan. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make marinara sauce. I'm gonna show you how to prep shrimp. I'm gonna show you how to put it together. It is simple, it is awesome, and yes, it's Basant style. I'm gonna go over the basic ingredients really quick, but as usual, I'm gonna have everything posted in the description box. I have 1 diced onion, whole milk mozzarella, shredded, crushed red peppers, black pepper, oregano, salt, basil, fresh garlic. Shrimp parmesan, I like huge shrimps. So I'm using 13 to 15 count easy peel shrimp, deveined. I'm gonna show you how to butterfly them. Breadcrumbs, flour, egg. I have all the ingredients in. We're gonna do it in 2 steps. I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce first. While the sauce is cooking, we're gonna start prepping the shrimp. Start off with ½ cup of oil. I'm gonna let it get really hot. I'm gonna add onions, and we're just gonna sweat them down a little. So we got the onions ready really good. I'm gonna start adding oregano, basil, salt, black pepper. Now this is optional. I like a little heat, so I'm gonna add red chili flakes and fresh garlic. I'm gonna saute it really good. So this is the base for the sauce. This is what's gonna season it. Now I'm gonna add the crushed tomatoes and that tomato paste. The smell is phenomenal right now. So I'm gonna add really quick and turn the heat down to medium as soon as possible. Just gonna gently fold it in. And you can see how gorgeously it's seasoning the sauce. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add half a can of water. I'm gonna show you. We use 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, so I filled half the can up with water, and we're gonna add that. I'm gonna just fold it in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it cook on medium heat, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. So now we're just gonna let it simmer. We're gonna finish the shrimp, and I'm gonna show you guys how to prep shrimp or butterfly them. It's already peeled and clean. You take your knife right in the middle and very gently slide it through. Just don't cut it all the way through. And this is what you want. It's beautifully butterflied. So when you put it in flour, it's gonna fan out. Then you dip it in egg and breadcrumbs, and we're gonna deep fry. So we finished the first part of the recipe. The sauce is going on medium heat. Now we're gonna start working on the shrimp. So I showed you how to butterfly it. Now I'm gonna show you my dredging station. But before we get started, the most important thing of cooking is you need to have a good positive flow. Everything needs to be put together in a straight line. You start from one end and you finish at one end. So I call this my 5-step dredging method. I'm gonna walk you over really quick. Shrimp is gonna go in flour. From flour, it's gonna go in egg. From egg, it's gonna go in breadcrumbs. And from breadcrumbs, it's gonna come to the resting area. It is such a simple process, and I love executing it. So come on, I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Take the shrimp. I'm gonna set it in flour first. I'm gonna do like 6 at a time. We don't overcrowd it. Just press it down. So step 1 complete. So from here, it's gonna go in egg. And from here, it's gonna go in the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna show you the finished product. And that's exactly what you want. So the tough part is over. We have the shrimp breaded, the sauce is going. Now we're gonna do the cool stuff. We're gonna deep fry them. Shrimp's ready to go in the fryer at 350 for about 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as you see them golden, you pull them out. Look at that. So this is exactly what you want. Wow. I don't recommend using your hands, use a pair of tongs, but look at that. How gorgeous it is. Guys, the hard part is complete. We got the sauce ready. The shrimp is done. I'm going to show you up close how gorgeously they got done. Look at the breading work on it. Through and through. And they're not overcooked. You can still feel they're nice and moist inside. hard part of the recipe is complete. We have the shrimp done and the beautiful sauce is done. Now we're gonna move on to making the Parmesan. Parmesan, I'm gonna use my little baking sheet. They're so cute and I absolutely love them for individual serving. We're gonna layer the bottom of them with sauce first. So when you're moving it, shrimp doesn't stick, cheese doesn't stick. It's a simple and awesome trick, and it'll just slide right on. I'm gonna put a little sauce on them. Is that a fast cook?
No.
Just a little. Little mozzarella cheese. Ooh. I love the smell of fresh marinara sauce. Just my favorite. So they're on the baking sheet. Now they're gonna go under the broiler for about 3 minutes, just so we can melt the cheese, and then we're gonna plate. This product is here, and I want you to see how gorgeous it looks. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start plating. So this is it, guys. The recipe is complete. We made the sauce, we breaded the shrimp, we deep fried it, we put it all together. I want you to look at the color, and the smell is just off the hook. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basan style.